Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the 25th of December. You know, we all know it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you're having fun as I am. So from the title of this video, you already know it's my son's first Christmas, you know. So I think we'll probably head out, I don't know, probably to get some ice cream later, but I would like to prepare some homemade meal for him and myself and my husband, obviously, but my husband is not around, but probably you'll see him in our next video. So I'll be starting off with my chicken. I'm going to be making some baked chicken, then after that I would do a little coleslaw and the rice, but I don't know how I want to film all of this, so I'll try to capture as much as I can, you know, when I'm preparing and all that stuff. You know, it's just me. How difficult this can be. You can be cooking and your baby is crying out to attend to this and that, but that's okay. So please kindly watch. JASIEL boy, you're assisting mommy in the kitchen. You're assisting mommy in the kitchen. So. You're assisting me in the kitchen. Yeah, so we just pulled up at Cold Stone. As you can see, me and my baby were matching. You can see his hoodie, and you can see mine as well. Mommy and baby twinning. We had to come back inside the car. The place is very hot. I don't know why. Like the AC is not working, or maybe because of the crowd or something. But my baby is also hot, so I can't afford him being that hot. So I had to bring him back inside the car. Finally got my package. Is malted cream with Americo or whatever it's called flavor, some almond, some dried waffles. That's basically all. You can't wait to have your ice cream. You got your ice cream. Ice cream. There you go.
White.
About to try this out. There you go. Oh no! Oh, what facial reaction? It's nice. You like it? Oh, you want some? You want some more?
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the of our dear whisper